Good morning, guys. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. And Daisy's still in bed. We're heading out to Colchuck Lake. As long as we can get out of here in time. But that's the plan. Good morning.
Good morning.
Our first actual hiking trip. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I can't open my eyeballs. I can't open them.
Love you.
Leo,
Good luck today.
good luck.
Hey guys, welcome back. We've officially made it up to Colchuck Lake. It's a 9-mile hike up into the enchantments. So we've officially arrived after about 2 hours. Daisy was sleeping the whole time, but she's with us now. Finally drinking her monster, so I think she's ready for this hike. Do you want to let them know anything, babe?
Pretty excited. Let's just get to it.
Yeah. Are you ready for this 9-mile hike?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's gonna be killer on the legs.
I know, I hope.
All right, backpacks are on. You ready to head out, babe?
Yeah.
Woo! Super stoked. So just in case we have any faulty run-ins, I got some, what is it called? Counter Assault Grizzly Tough Bear Spray. So this stuff was pretty spendy. Hopefully I don't have to use it on the first try up here on this hike, but yeah, safety first, guys. Let's head out.
When I was a boy, I dreamed of a place in the sky, playing in the fields, battling with my shields, bows made out of twine. I wish I could see this world again through those eyes, see the child in me, in my fantasy, never growing old. Will we ever feel young again? Will we ever feel young again? Will we ever feel young again? We wanna feel young. We wanna feel young again. As a boy, I search for a world that's unknown. All we have is fun. Everybody runs until the sun goes down. I wish I could see this world